Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage bookings when the admin wants to add a deposit fee and a service fee to each booking. The WPRentals team was built as a booking platform, and the admin can allow owners to submit listings and manage bookings. Also, the admin can decide if a booking fee will be deducted from owner earnings for each booking made on owner listings and set a deposit fee for the booking to be confirmed. In this video, I will show how to manage bookings if admin will add a deposit fee and a service fee. The settings for the deposit fee and service fee are made in team options by the admin under add listing page and payment settings. In booking payment settings, the admin can set deposit fee or service fee. The admin can set the fees as percentage or as fixed values. I will set the deposit fee to 50% and the service fee to 10%. This means that the guest will need to pay 50% from the total amount of the booking for that booking to be confirmed. The admin can also set if the expenses will be included when the deposit fee will be calculated. The expenses are city fee and cleaning fee, and if this option is enabled, then the fees will be included when calculating the deposit. The admin setup is done. Next, I will show how the booking is managed. I will work with admin account as owner account, as this is the account that I used to add the listings, and I have created a guest account to place the bookings. The first step is to actually make the booking. I will select check-in, check-out, select the number of guests and place the booking. The booking will be managed by owner from my bookings. This is the booking that I placed now. Owner will need to issue invoice. In the invoice, the owner will see all booking details and the exact amounts that will be paid. I will explain what each amount represents. First, the subtotal is the cost of the booking period, and it is calculated as number of booked nights per listing price. These are the cleaning fee and city fee. The values are added by the owner when the listing is submitted, so the guest will pay the cost of the booking period plus these two fees. The reservation fee required will be calculated based on the settings added by admin in team options. Since the setup was made for the deposit to be 50% and not include fees, the reservation fee value will be 50% of the cost of the booking. In admin, we also set a service fee of 10%, and this value will be deducted from the owner earnings and it will apply to the cost of the booking. The reservation fee will be paid by guest to site admin for the booking to be confirmed, and admin will keep service fee and send to owner the rest of the amount, which is the value from you earn section. So the owner will see in the invoice the exact amount that he will receive. The deposit fee will be sent to admin, but the rest of the payment will need to be managed outside the team between owner and guest. This is the owner interface. Now I will show what guest will see. The owner will press send invoice. The booking status is pending. Now from guest account, I will go to my reservations. I can see here invoice created, check and pay, and the booking status is set to waiting. For the booking status to change to confirmed, the guest will need to pay the reservation fee. In this domain, I have set wire transfer as payment method. The guest will need to click the button and then click send me the invoice. For this payment method, the admin will need to manually approve the payment. So I will go back to the admin account and go to invoices. Here I will edit the invoice and approve the payment by pressing the wire transfer button. Now the payment is approved, and in the guest account, the status will change to confirmed. The guest will also have the option to pay the invoice in full after the deposit payment by pressing the pay invoice in full button. Going back to admin, since the payment to owner are made outside the team, the admin can see all the amounts that need to be paid to the owner in the invoice section. Here we'll see what user pays, the reservation fee required, and all the taxes from the invoice. Also, the admin can see all bookings, enlisting bookings and more, but the admin will only have the role to observe. We do not recommend to make any changes to bookings from admin side. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.